Welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Wednesday, December 14th, 2022. Let's go ahead and jump right in, keeping in mind that everything we look at today is for educational purposes only. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. Now, folks, if you like what you see, make sure you not only subscribe and follow along on YouTube, go ahead and follow the various social platforms we have where we put a ton of content out there day in and day out. All the links will be down in the description below. All right, how do we describe yesterday? Man, I love Ozzy Osbourne going off the rails on a crazy train, right? The move we had yesterday was phenomenal on the announcement of CPI, and then what happened? Gave it all back, right? Before the day was over, we were done. We'll take a look at futures and see how they fared overnight. But today, we're here. What's going on today? We're looking at the Fed coming out at 2 o'clock, and then 2:30 is the press conference. Listen, the Fed announcement's not going to do anything. It's going to go up a half a point. There's a very high percentage of it, over 90%. Last I checked yesterday, of half-point rate hike. I'm not concerned about that. That's not going to do much to the market. You'll see the market pop maybe a little bit on it. It's really going to be what Powell says after that in the press conference. What is he leaking out to give us an indication of where we might go? Oh, things are really bad. Market's going down. Oh, things are getting better. The market's going up. We really don't know. It could be a flip-flop back and forth. But keep your eye on that. You'll see some muted volume today, although I don't think it's low as we normally will see on Fed Day, but you're going to see some muted volume today. All right, so let's go take a look at the futures. There's the crazy train right there. Oh, my goodness gracious. Look at that. Shh. Kaplunk. Right? And we wound up, ending the day out there. The markets opened up flat in the overnight. We rose up a little bit into the Asian markets opening. We pulled back all the way into the Europeans, and we're up a little bit now from where we were, but nothing crazy just yet at this point, right? So when we look at futures right now, we've got the ES is up 5.5 points, the Dow is up 48, Nasdaq's up 15, RUT's up 3, Bitcoin's up 85, 17.8, yes, for Bitcoin. 13.27 up 13.5 on Ethereum. Gold is down 6.7, and crude's kicking back up a little bit. We're over $76. We had 70-ish, 70 and change I saw the other day. So that's a big jump from where we were. All right, let's go take a look at our candidates for today. Delta Airlines. I hope you took my call on it last week when I said when I talked about Delta. I looked at naked puts. Right, Delta has done extremely well, or is doing extremely well overall in this economy, in this market. They are up right now. Let's see. Let me get my option chain loaded there. So Delta Airlines today is up $1.30. Why? What's going on? Right, expected growth even in this economy. The CEO claims they've already hit their recession. They've had the worst hit to the airline industry in over 100 years. He is touting today that Delta Airlines, again, will be the most profitable airline in the industry, right? And they're up $1.30 on that news. That puts them at 34.5, we'll call it, right? So let's see. So we're just below, we're above our, slightly, but we're above our 8-moving average. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 34. Where are they at? 34.5 or below 34. Or we're going to look at a naked put, right? And ideally, we're looking for a delta of 20 on our naked put. So come over here, catch the train, right? We're looking about the 32.5 is paying about 40 cents right now, right? Which is awesome, right? So 32.5 is paying about 40 cents. All right. So then we look at DRI. They got an upgrade on DRI, which is Darden. Now, they have monthly options only, but there's 2 days left, 3 days left in the month. We're good to go. They're up $1.27 to $34.65. That's still Delta Airlines. Sorry. They're up $1.47 to $146.5. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 144. 144. Okay. Got to make it so I can read it. Hilton Airlines, HLT. They're part of a bigger story of the entire industry getting downgraded with Marriott, right? So Hilton, it was part of the industry downgrade where Marriott was a specific downgrade, which we'll get into. So they're down $1.52 to $136.5. it puts me below my 8 moving average. It puts me below my 21 moving average. So I like that. Bear call spread on HLT above 142. Right, then we go to Marriott. Their downgrade came not only for the industry from Citigroup, but specific to Citigroup, they got a downgrade on them, not just the industry, on them. So they're down right now, Marriott, $2.12, a bit more of a hit than Hilton is taking on right now, which puts them at 161. So we're right below, we're right at that fib line at 160.82. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 168. And I'm going to call this aggressive because we're kind of teeter-totter right at that support level there. Right, Moderna, after their cancer drug yesterday, they've got some upgrades kicking in, of course. So they're up a little bit today, $200.89, or up $3.35. So you can see that move yesterday was just rocking, right? So they're at 200 right now. Let's see, 181 to 208, 81, 91, 01. Right, so that's 27 points. We've got 22 here. We're going to need a fibit inside of there. So we need to, let's see, we need to add a, well, actually, we're going to have to draw a split fib in there. So we're looking at bull put spread below 194. And then last but certainly not least, Tesla. They got a downgrade by Goldman Sachs. They're just a car company, nothing more. We shouldn't be looking at them anything more than that. Tesla right now is down a whopping 45 cents on that news. I would be cautious, but if we are looking, if the market does move it down today, we want to look at a bear call spread above 167, aggressive. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care. I will see all of you at our next update. Bye for now.